You're messing with my head 'cause I wait for you. Maybe I've misread all the things you do. Looking for a reason to stay. Why can't I walk away away from you? Try to decide, could you say where this is going? I know